In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google AdSense effectively. Whether you're a beginner looking to monetize your website or just need a refresher, this walkthrough will guide you through the essential steps to get started. First, let's head over to Google AdSense. You can easily find it by typing Google AdSense into your search bar, and it should be one of the top results. Once there, you'll see a prominent sign in button. Click it and log in using your Google account credentials. If you're new to AdSense, don't worry, it's a fairly straightforward process. Having a Google account is essential here, so make sure you either sign in or sign up if you don't have one yet. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the AdSense homepage. Here you'll be asked to enter some pivotal information about your website. This step is crucial because it helps AdSense tailor ads to your audience, optimizing both user experience and your potential earnings. So, when you're prompted to enter this information, take your time and ensure all details are accurate and comprehensive. After you've provided your website details, the next step is focusing on ads. On your AdSense interface, you will find an Ads tab. Clicking this will allow you to manage how ads will be displayed on your site. This is where you have the flexibility to decide which types of ads suit your website best. Consider factors like where they'll be placed for maximum visibility and what types of ads will engage your audience without disrupting their experience. Once you're set up with ads, it's important to configure your sites. You'll have an option titled Sites within your AdSense dashboard. Clicking on it allows you to manage each of the sites you want to monetize. You can add new sites, manage ads on existing ones, or remove sites no longer in use. Make sure each site complies with AdSense policies to avoid any potential issues. Lastly, don't forget to click on Manage Your Sites to oversee all the sites you're monetizing under one roof. This section is like your command center. It provides insights into how your sites are performing and lets you make real-time changes if necessary. From here, you can also monitor which sites are driving the most revenue and adjust your strategies accordingly. And that's the essentials of getting started with Google AdSense. By following these steps, you'll be on your way to effectively monetizing your site. Remember that success with AdSense is an ongoing process of optimization and learning, so keep experimenting with different ad placements and formats to find what works best for you and your audience. Now, go ahead, dive in and start maximizing your site's earning potential.